Okay, right now we've gone through all the points during the video. I've been about what we want to be doing. Now we're going to talk about what we need to make sure that we're not doing anymore. There was a time when a few underhand tactics could fire you to the top of the search engines and keep you there. This is known as black hat SEO. However, the tactics that once shot you up the search engines, if found out, now send you right back down the other way. So the first toxin that we're going to bring up is cloaking. Now, cloaking has an importance factor of -3. This is when a page has been set up for an SEO ranking. So your page is set up for web crawlers, and then you have a customer facing page. So you're setting up your website more for the web crawlers, then your customers are seeing a different page. If you are found doing this, as Google evolves, it is getting harder and harder to fill Google, then you will be penalized and sent back down the search engines. The next lot, I'm going to bring up 3 together. So we have schemes. This comes with an importance factor of -3. This is where you are buying links from other companies in order to put them into your website to try and rank higher. The next one after that is stuffing. This comes with a ranking factor of -2. If you are found to be stuffing too many keywords into your sites, you can be penalized. Hiding as well. So this is another ranking factor of -2. If you are found hiding any keywords in your site that you don't want Google to see, you may get punished, because all 3 of these tactics turn Google's algorithms against them. If you are found doing any of these 3 tactics, then you can find yourself banned from Google altogether, which nobody wants. Next up, we're going to be coming up with piracy. Very simple. Do not copy and paste information from somebody else's site. Be unique. Write your own stuff. As I've mentioned, Google has a thing called legacy. This legacy will let Google know who had the content first. Very, very simple. And then the pirate will be punished. Finally, on this, we've got intrusive. This is a ranking factor of -1. This is where you have invasive monetary gaining pop-ups on your website. Click here for this, click there to win competitions. This frustrates users. If it frustrates a user, then it will affect your Google ranking, because Google is all about the user. That's everything on the toxin side of things. Finally now, we're going to jump across and have a look at some of the things we want to be looking to do in the future.